Mooresville, North Carolina, a town with a rich history of textiles and manufacturing. The Mooresville Cotton Mills, established in 1893, was once the economic powerhouse of the town. But today it's been transformed into a thriving business center, Merino Mill. Merino Mill offers the perfect environment for businesses to grow and flourish with a strong support network and a vibrant community. Plus, with the largest solar paneled roof in the state of North Carolina, Merino Mill is leading the way in sustainable energy. Before and after your visit or workday, you can fuel up with some amazing coffee from Defined Coffee, or grab a bite to eat from the award-winning Aliño Pizzeria, or the Barcelona Burger and Beer Garden. Or explore Main Street Antiques and Design Center, the largest antique mall in the Carolinas. Come and join our community with special events throughout the year at Merino Mill, where business meets creativity and where success is only a step away. Merino Mill, your home for business in Mooresville.